and welcome back to my channel. This is Ellie the Moons, and I'm gonna be going to the beach today. And you're gonna help me pack. This is my first long form video in like a year, I just got back from the beach and I'm gonna take a shower, but I'll see you on the flip side. This is my outro. This was a really short video. I apologize, but if I make the video any longer, I think my phone's gonna actually explode because I have like absolutely no storage. Yeah, that was the video. It was really short, but it's just gonna take a while to edit because I'm lazy. But goodbye.